In this video, I'm going to take quiz 1 about combining like terms, the distributive property and equivalent expressions, and interpreting linear expressions. This quiz has 5 problems, so let's begin. Question number 1. A single ticket to the magic show costs $T, but there is a discount of 5% per ticket if a group buys 10 tickets. The expression 10T, which is the cost of 10 tickets, minus 10 times 0.05T. Okay, so 0.05 is 5% times T, which is the cost of one ticket. So 0.05 times T is the amount of discount in dollars per ticket, and when we multiply times 10 is the amount of this discount in dollars per 10 tickets, and we subtract this amount from the cost of the 10 tickets. Okay, so this expression describes the total cost of buying 10 tickets for a group. Match each amount in the situation with the expression that represents it. Total discount for 10 group tickets. So the total discount for 10 group tickets is this part. 10 times 0.05 times T, because 0.05 times T is the discount per ticket. And when we multiply times 10, is the total discount for 10 group tickets. So this is the expression that corresponds with this situation. Amount of discount per ticket. Okay, so this is the discount in percent, and when we multiply it by T, which is the cost per ticket, we get the amount of discount per ticket. Okay, number of tickets is 10. Okay, the group buys 10 tickets, and cost of buying 10 single tickets is 10T. Yeah. Okay. Simplify to create an equivalent expression. Okay, so let's apply the distributive property in this expression. 2 minus 4 times 5p plus 1. So I apply the distributive property by multiplying 4 times 5p. I get 20. Sorry. So it's 2 minus, but it's minus 4 times 5p. So it's minus 20p. And minus 4 times 1 is minus 4. Okay, so minus 4 times 1 is minus 4, and minus 4 times 5p is minus 20p. And we have a positive 2 here, so we can combine these two terms. So 2 minus 4 is minus 2, and we have minus 2p. So this is the expression here. So let's see, minus 2 minus 20p. Okay, so this is correct. Okay, this is correct in spite of the rearranged order of the terms. Minus 2, we can write this term, this expression like this. We can write minus 2 plus negative 20p, And since when we do an addition we can swap the order of the terms, we can write it as negative 20p plus negative 2, which is the same thing as negative 20p minus 2. Okay, so A is correct. Which expressions are equivalent to, okay, 5 times minus 2k minus 3 plus 2k. So in this expression, we need to distribute the 5 to the two terms within the parentheses. So 5 times minus 2k is minus 10k, and 5 times minus 3 is minus 15, plus 2k, and then we can combine these two terms. We have minus 2k plus 2. Okay, minus 10 is negative, plus 2 is positive. So when we add a negative and a positive, we need to find the difference. The difference is 8, and the 8 has a negative sign because 10 is greater. So we end up with minus 8k minus 15. Minus 10k plus 2k is minus 8k minus 15. Okay. Which expressions are equivalent? So let's see here. So this is minus 5 times 3 is minus 15 minus 8k. Okay, so again, A is the same as this expression because in spite of the terms being arranged, being ordered differently, minus 15, we can write this expression as minus 15 plus minus 8k, and then we can swap the two terms, because when we add two terms we can apply the commutative property, which says that it doesn't matter in which order we add them. So this expression is equivalent to minus 8k plus minus 15, which is the same thing as minus 8k minus 15, which is what we have here. So option A is good. Combine like terms to create an equivalent expression. Enter any coefficients as simplified, proper or improper fractions or integers. Okay, so when we apply the distributive property, we multiply the 2 by each of the terms within the parentheses. So 2 times 1/5 of m, and 2 plus 2 times negative 2/5 plus 3/5. Okay. So we have 2/5 of m. Sorry, this is a negative 2/5. 2 times negative 2/5. So here we have minus 2 times 2 is 4. So this is minus 4/5 plus 3/5. So this is 2/5 m plus this is negative 1/5, which is the same thing as 2/5 m minus 1/5. Okay, so 2 times 1/5 m is 2/5 m, and 2 times minus 2/5 is minus 4/5 plus 3/5. Okay. So we have, so these two terms can be combined because they are regular numbers, natural numbers, and when we combine minus 4/5 and 3/5, we get minus 1/5. So eventually we end up with this expression, 2/5 m minus 1/5. Liam had $250. Then he and his classmates bought a present for their teacher. So we began with 250. He and his classmates bought a present for their teacher, evenly splitting the P-cost, the dollar P-cost, among the 24 of them. So each of the students in Liam's class paid 24 divided by P. There are 24 students, and this is the cost. P is the cost. So 24 divided by P is the share that was paid by each of the students. So Liam had at the beginning $250, and then we need to subtract his part because he chipped in to buy the present. How much money does Liam have left? Write your answer as an expression. So 250 minus his share in the present. Okay, 250 minus 24. No, it's the other way around. Yeah, it's the other way around. It's not 24, so I had a mistake here. It's not. We divide the cost by the number of students, not the number of students, by the cost. Okay, if the present, let's say, cost $48, so we need to divide $48 between the 24 students, and we get that each student paid $2 for the present. So we split the cost between between the number of students, not the number of students in the cost. Okay, so it's P, so the expression is minus 250 minus P over 24. P. Yeah. P divided by 24. Yeah. Good. Thank you for watching. So in the next video, I'm going, after I finished quiz 1, I'm going to move on to this section, two-step equations intro, and I'm going to do this practice. So I will see you in the next video.